Welcome to Sundance. My name is Carla. I live in this beautiful community. I'm here with Darlene. Darlene, tell us a little bit more about Sundance.
Not only is Sundance this beautiful lake community you have access to, there's tons of amenities with parks, shopping, great restaurants, coffee shops, gyms, you name it, public and Catholic schools, as well as very close to Stoney Trail. Easy access to all major highways.
Here we are now. This is our listing that we have for sale here. Come and have a look inside.
We're gonna jump right into the backyard where you have a beautiful hot tub, deck, all this great shed space. You could fit an RV storage from your brand new fence, and it's a paved alley.
Welcome inside this beautiful Sundance home where you'll find a formal living room and dining room area, which is great for entertainment. And you'll also find, which is a very common feature here in Sundance, is the sunken family room.
This 3,000 square foot home has 5 large bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, one that happens to be on the main floor, which is excellent if you have guests because there's a bedroom right next to it. The garage includes all the cabinets. Thanks for joining us on this tour.
If you have any more questions, do check out sellingsundance.ca.